Hello everyone, welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Thursday, February the 25th, 2021. Yes, we have here in this additional Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1 and a binary number 2, total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Those Sudokus are the Sudoku with 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 Tectonic and 1 binary I will solve. Alright, if you have any request, you can place this below. Maybe if I have the time for you, I will solve that puzzle. Alright, this 3 stars Sudoku will be number 2380. 2380. Yes, 2380. And it's a 3 stars Sudoku. And I've already counted the printed digits. Total of printed digits 25. 3 stars is always 25. By the way, I have also counted the 4 stars, 24. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. How about... Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We see there 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 9 in this row. 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. How about the first column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. In the first column, we see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 3. We have a 5 and a 3 in this second column, so no 5 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and a 3. All right. So what are those other 3 numbers? 6, 7, and a 2. Cannot do anything with them. Alright. 2, 2. Let me see. 8. 1. No, 8 we have here. Well. 8, 1. Alright. It's supposed to be the 4. 4. Alright. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. In this big square, we have a 4 here, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright. 8 and 6. Well, we have 2 numbers left. In the first row, the 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. And I know that in this big square, the 6 is one of these 3 boxes. So this box cannot be a 6. So this box should be a 6. And this box should be an 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second row. The numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are missing. And look, we have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 6, we have a 1 here and a 1 there. 1 should be here. And 6 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the last third column. So in the column between, the only place for this 1 should be there. How about those 2 numbers in the third column? For the numbers 8 and 6 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 295. Okay. How about those 3 missing numbers in the third row? 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 here, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and a 3, we see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number here is the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 5 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. How about 2 in this row? 2 in the last row. So in the row between. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So 4, 4, 6, 2, 6, 7. 7, 7. 7, 7. We have a pair, 3 and a 7. Yes. 3, 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Same story with the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, so no 7 there. 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Alright, 3 and a 7. Ah, we already have a 3 here. Overlooked. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be a 3. Alright. 7, 7. Okay. Do I have all the 3s? No. 3, 3. Yes. How about 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 9, 9, 9. No. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9, 5, 9, 5. We have a pair here. Look. I remember 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. It's a pair now. Now it's a pair. So the other pair in this row should be the 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So in the column next. Only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row below. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 7. Alright. Six, 6. Alright. 4, 4. 3, 3. 9, 5. 8. The 1 should be here. Okay. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 7. 1, 4, 7. are missing in this column. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 there. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. We already have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. Alright. 4, 4, okay. So we have a 1, 1 and a 3, 3, yes. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this row, so no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and a 3 goes in those two boxes. We have also here 1 and a 3 in this column, so the other pair should be 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. 1 and a 3, 9 and a 5. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. Let me mark those. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this should be a 9. 8, 6, 9. 6, 9 should be. Okay, 9 and a 5. 4, 4. Now we have a 7 here, so this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this should be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be an 8. Now we have 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be an 8, and this should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this 3 Stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.